Thinking about pursuing MBBS in Bangalore. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 medical colleges in the city, covering the rankings, seat availability, and what makes each institution unique. We have sorted these colleges based on NIRF ranking. Moving ahead and talking initially about the college that stands on number 10, the Oxford Medical College Hospital and Research Centre, Bangalore. It's a private college. The number of beds it do have, it's 1,115, and the hospital associated is the Oxford Medical College Hospital and Research Centre. Talking about the highest closing rank corresponding to the private quota. Over here, I'm talking about for those candidates who are having the domicile of Karnataka. Okay? So these highest closing ranks belongs to them. In the year 2023, the highest closing rank was 1,07,864. In the year 2024, the highest closing rank was 1,16,307. Moving ahead and talking about the college that stands on number 9, Vedai Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Centre, Bangalore. It's a private college. Number of beds, it's 1,150. Associated Hospital, Vedai Hospital. The highest closing rank for the year 2023 was 81,553. For the year 2024, it's 80,115 pertaining to the private quota. Talking about the college that stands on number 8, Sri Siddhartha Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Centre, Bangalore. The ownership, it's a private college, and the tuition fee, if I talk about, it's 17,75,000 per year we are talking about. Number of beds, 970. Associated Hospital, Sri Siddhartha Institute of Medical Science and Research Centre. Talking about the highest closing rank pertaining to the quota, since it is a deemed university, so counselling in deemed university is through MCC only. So talking about the highest closing rank, for the year 2023, it's 6,03,837, and for the year 2024, it's 3,65,036. Moving ahead and talking about the college that stands on number 7th position, East Point College of Medical Sciences and Research Centre, Bangalore. Ownership, it's a private college. Number of beds, 830. Associated Hospital, East Point College of Medical Sciences and Research Centre. Talking about the highest closing rank pertaining to the private quota for the year 2023, it's 1,23,204. For the year 2024, it's 1,21,870. Moving ahead and talking about the college that stands on number 6, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Medical College, Bangalore. It's a private college. Number of beds, 800. Associated Hospital, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Hospital. Highest closing rank pertaining to private quota for the year 2023, it's 95,806. For the year 2024, it's 96,764. So to get admission into this particular college, your rank should be more than it. Talking about the college that stands on number 5, it's Kempegowda Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore. It's a private college, and if I talk about the tuition fee per year, it's 2,11,621. Number of beds, 1,096. Associated Hospital, KIMS Hospital basically. The highest closing rank pertaining to private quota for the year 2023, it's 74,193. For the year 2024, it's 75,626. Moving ahead and talking about the college that stands on number 4, Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute. It's a government college. Number of beds, 1,760. Highest closing rank pertaining to the government quota. Clear? It's 3,508 for the year 2023, and it's 4,203 for the year 2024. Moving ahead and talking about the college that stands on number 3, Raja Rajeshwari Medical College and Hospital, Bangalore. It's a private college. Tuition fee per year, if I talk about, 23,50,000. Number of beds, 1,360. Associated Hospital, Raja Rajeshwari Medical College and Hospital, Bangalore. Highest closing rank pertaining to deemed university management seat. Okay. For the year 2023, it's 5,35,304. For the year 2024, it was 3,74,370. Moving ahead and talking about the college, it stands at number 2, MS Ramaiah Medical College, Bangalore. It's a private college, number of beds 1340. And talking about the associated hospital, MS Ramaiah Medical College and Hospital, highest closing rank pertaining to private quota for the year 2023 is 1,55,678, and for the year 2024 it's 2,03,053. Talking about the college that stands on number 1, it's St. John's Medical College, Bangalore. It's a private college. Tuition fee per year 6,75,000. Number of beds 1130. Associated Hospital, St. John's Medical College Hospital. Talking about the highest closing rank pertaining to private quota for the year 2023, it's 21,388, and for the year 2024 it is 11,483. So people, that wraps up our list of Bangalore's leading MBBS colleges. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment on your college of interest, and subscribe for more admission insights and NEET guidance. All the very best.